Your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some mostly cloudy skies across the area this morning. Saw some cold temperatures last night. Inland locations seeing temperatures below freezing. Here at Wallops, we got down to 34. Going to see some rain showers moving the region for later this afternoon into the evening hours, and even a slight chance of a thunderstorm near midnight tonight. But overall, once that moves out of the region, we'll see high pressure building back in for tomorrow. So a quick moving system with some rainfall across the region for this evening into the early overnight hours. Looking at our current surface analysis, we have abundance of high-level cloud cover. Here you can see on the IRR satellite imagery or infrared satellite imagery. See some rain shower activity occurring across the southeast states, going to be moving towards our region today. We'll have an area low pressure that's currently along the Gulf Coast states moving into and over our region for tonight. Our current observation, few clouds around 2,000 feet, few at 20,000, overcast 25,000. Winds out of the north 5 knots, temperature 45 degrees, and relative humidity at 65%. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have lots of cloud coverage across the region, mainly in the upper levels this morning. That'll increase and lower once we move into the afternoon hours today, and then we'll see some lower level cloud cover overnight. As we look into the HRRR model for today, you can see that cloud coverage increasing across the region. Here's noon, and then even the HRRR brings in a chance of rain shower by about 2 o'clock this afternoon. Expect that to be a little bit later than the HRRR is showing here, mainly after about 4 o'clock this afternoon, and most likely after about 6 o'clock this afternoon, or 1800 local. Moving to the evening hours, you can see that area low pressure with some heavier rainfall moving through the region around midnight tonight, and that'll be a chance. We'll see a thunderstorm across the region, about a 20% chance of that occurring with those heavier rain showers possible. So could see a brief period of heavier rainfall, as I mentioned, right around midnight tonight with an isolated thunderstorm. And then once that does move through, we'll see our rainfall chances quickly diminish across the region after midnight, and we'll see just some low clouds across the region. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll see a green chart for the daytime hours through 1600 local, and we'll see a high around 53 degrees. Winds east 7-12 knots, gusting to 17 knots. Then we see our rainfall chances really increase after about 1800 local or 6 o'clock this evening, with temperatures actually rising into the lower 60s around midnight, seeing temperature around 63 degrees at midnight, and then falling thereafter once our winds turn out of the northwest. We'll see some slightly breezy winds out of the southeast, as well as that low pressure moves in and through the region, 9 to 14 knots, gusts to 23 knots. We'll see a 20% chance of a thunderstorm overnight, especially between 2200 local to 2 local on Wednesday. We'll also see low clouds in the region, so some unsettled conditions tonight, but then quickly moving out of the region. By tomorrow morning, we'll just see some mostly cloudy skies, temperatures in the upper 40s, northwesterly winds gusting to 20 knots. As far as our terminal forecast goes for today, we'll see those lowering ceilings, with ceilings down to 6,000 feet by about 1,600 local, with a chance at 2,000 feet, with some rain showers after 1,600 local. And we'll continue to see those low ceilings overnight, with ceilings down to 400 feet after Wednesday at 2 local. We'll see that 20% chance of a thunderstorm from 2,200 local to 2 local on Wednesday, as I mentioned. And then by tomorrow morning, we'll see those low clouds start to rise and move out of the region, and seeing mostly cloudy skies to overcast skies by Wednesday 8 local, with skies quickly improving after 8 local on Wednesday. We'll see our tides continue to run normal, and Wednesday into Thursday we'll see chances of morning low clouds for Wednesday, otherwise partly mostly sunny and slightly breezy, high 58. For Wednesday night, partly cloudy and cooler, low 40, and for Thursday, partly cloudy and mostly sunny and slightly breezy, a high of 48, so a chilly day on Thursday. We'll see a slight chance of seeing our winds at 25 knots, but most likely just under, and we'll see a slight chance of seeing some clouds below 500 feet on Wednesday morning, but otherwise good conditions across the region, just some cooler weather for our Thursday. Well, that completes our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day today. We're back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.